Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, or Main Rebel here on YouTube and on Instagram. I just want to apologize real quick about the setup and the lighting. I'm in a different room because I'm moving YouTube studios, or I'm trying to create a YouTube studio, and there's nothing in there right now. Not even a light. So I'm in the bathroom because I don't want to make a mess, because I'm going to be painting my extensions today. Now the reason they're in my head right now is because in order for me to find out like which ones are going to be blue and which ones are going to be gray, I have to see how they're going to be on my head. And some of them crisscross in between both colors, so I need to, place them where they're comfortable, and then I'm actually going to label them. So that's what we're going to do right now. I'm just going to jump into it because I just want to get this over with. I don't even know what time it is. So I already kind of figured out how I want them in my head, and this is what's gonna work for me. So I'm just gonna label them right in here. I'm just gonna use B and G for blue and gray and make a little B. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the gray side. And then this one's gonna be gray. So this way, I know exactly where they go, because you don't wanna fuck that up. That would really suck. Now this one back here is a 4 clip, but it's gonna lay right in the middle of my head. So I'm actually just going to fold it in half and make a little line. So then the inside of my extension looks something like that. This next section, I'm kind of nervous about because I'm crisscrossing it. So you see it goes more than halfway. So I guess I might just do this whole clip blue. I just wrote it out. It says blue on it. I'm just gonna do the same thing and just do the one clip. See? This part's gonna be gray and these two are gonna be blue. And then this last piece is just gonna be down the middle. Yay, we did it. That's the most annoying part. But now that we have it all figured out, I'm just gonna start coloring.
So I just kept it really simple. I just did Mercury and Nemesis individually in their own bowls. And today I did a dry application, which normally I would do either a watercolor application or at least have damp extensions. But I was worried that the water was going to dilute the silver too much, so I just left them dry. Doing a dry application is probably the best way to ensure that your color is going to be better, but it does make it harder for the color to spread. So I like to flip the hair extension and do another application on the other side and then rub it down with my fingers to make sure that it covers really well.
Okay, hello, welcome back. This is a new day, a month later from when I originally filmed that video. And since then, I have washed my hair maybe 4 times, but I did retouch the blue a little bit, so it did get a little bit darker. So I'm gonna show you what my extensions look like. So remember how I told you guys that it's really important to label your hair extensions so you don't mess them up, so you know how to install them. I know exactly where they go, because you don't want to fuck that up. That would really suck. Well, I was so tired that night that I labeled mine incorrectly. And then when I went to go put them in, I was like, okay, yeah, I completely fucked that up. And now I can't use this, so I did cry a little bit. But anyways, the whole set was 220 grams, which is for medium to thick hair. And without that, I think it kind of brings it down to maybe 180 grams. So I'm still solid. I was still able to wear my extensions the way they are right now, but this is how they came out. So this is the blue side, and then this is the gray side. I just washed my hair yesterday and my extensions for the first time. And I did use like just the slightest bit of purple shampoo on the gray because that's what I do when I wash my hair. So I just want to make sure that they stay the same. So let me show you guys how I'm going to install these. This is the one that I crisscross. So I start here and then I bring it down to about like halfway down my head. And then the other side, I did quite the opposite. And then I put it over here and then I cross it down that way. Perfect. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Looks good. Also, you have to remember that I'm compensating for having one less piece, and that was a big piece, but it already blends really well. As long as the hair color blends well, the extensions are gonna blend well. Perfect. So far so good.
Just a quick tip if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm actually teasing my hair where the clips are going to be installed, just so the extension doesn't move around and it's really sturdy.
So this is what they look like straight. Now, I would love to wear these straight, but I have a little like short pieces back here and it doesn't blend in well. I like to comb my hair. I'm gonna comb my hair real quick and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. There's nothing better than having fresh extensions in your hair. So, having that little bit of curl in there like really helps blend everything in. But yeah, anyways guys, we've come to the end of my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok, and I will see you guys here next time.